Alright, I'm going to be demonstrating how to do the forked cluster stitch. So we're going to start by yarning over and inserting your hook in the 5th chain from the hook, and you're going to yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over, pull in, and yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over. You can see that there's 4. You're going to pull through all 4, and then you're going to skip 1 stitch, yarn over and go into the 7th chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop, yarn over. You're going to pull through all 4, and you're left with 3. You're going to yarn over, and that's how you create one FCS. You're going to chain 2. In the next stitch, you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up 1 loop. That is creating one FC. You're going to yarn over, skip 1 stitch, create 1 more FC, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3, creating the next FCS. Chain 2 in the next stitch, create 1 more FC, skip 1 stitch, 1 more FC, and creating that next FCS. Chain 2 in the next stitch, and just keep repeating until end of row. Okay, now so you can see we have 1 stitch left. You're going to chain 1 and double crochet into that stitch. Oop. Turn your work, chain 4, 1 FC in the first opening, and go to the next opening in 1 FC. Pull through 3, there you go, 1 FCS, chain 2. In the same hole, you're going to create 1 more FC, yarn over, pull through 4, head over to the next one now, and go to FCS's, you're going to chain 2. When you get to the last one, you're just going to insert it in that chain 4 space. Then you're going to chain 1, and then in the top, you're just going to put your double crochet in the top of that chain 3. And then turn and just keep repeating. And that's how you do it. Thank you.